In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the rear axles. Let's get into it. I'm going to take this shield off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver, and there's these little clips under here. You just need to push these up. So if you just get in between the clip and the strap, you can push those up. And then under here there's clips. You just push these towards the middle. And same with right here. Push the little tabs towards the center. And pull that down. Right there, and right there. And that comes right down. Using a 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, and loosen these up. And pull that nut off. Just pull down on the bar a little bit, and you can pull the bolt out. There you go. And I do the same on the bottom bolt, 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. Loosen this up. Take that out. Grab the link, slide it up, out of the way. Slide the new link in place. Put the bolt in, get the nut started. And get the top lined up. Get the nut on. Now I'm going to use a pull jack and raise up the suspension before we tighten those bolts down. You want it as close to ride height as possible. That's good right there. Snug these down. We're going to torque these bolts to 82 foot-pounds. That's good. Now you can lower the pull jack. Take that out of the way. Now put this shield on. Get this lined up. Lock it in place, and then take the tie downs or the straps, just pull those through. There you go. And then you could do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.